Hello everyone, I'm back with another video for the subject mathematics and the topic is ANOVA. So let us see what is ANOVA. ANOVA or analysis of variance is a statistical method used to analyze the differences among groups means in a data set. It allows us to compare multiple groups simultaneously, determining whether there are statistically significant differences between them. What is the purpose of ANOVA? Comparing means. ANOVA is used to compare means of three or more groups to determine if there are statistically significant differences. Efficiency in testing. It allows for the efficient testing of multiple factors and their interactions within an experiment. Variance analysis. ANOVA helps analyze the variance within and between groups to draw conclusion about the population means. The types of ANOVA are one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, and n-way ANOVA. One-way ANOVA used to compare means of three or more independent groups to determine if there is significant difference between them. Two-way ANOVA examines the influence of two different categorical independent variables on one continuous dependent variable. N-way ANOVA extends the concept to analyze the effects of multiple independent variables on the dependent variable. One-way ANOVA definition. One-way ANOVA is a statistical method used to compare means of three or more independent groups. Hypothesis. The first step involves stating the null hypothesis, which assumes that there are no significant differences among group means. Testing the hypothesis. Next, the ANOVA test is conducted to determine whether there are statistically significant differences among the group means. Two-way ANOVA purpose is determines how two categorical variables impact a continuous variable. Application. It is used to analyze the influence of two factors simultaneously on the outcome. Complexity requires careful consideration of interactions and main effects of both factors. Assumptions of ANOVA. Equal variance. The variance of the populations being compared are equal. Normal distribution. The population from which the samples are drawn are normally distributed. Independence. The samples are independent of each other. Random sampling. The samples are randomly selected from their respective populations. Coming to the hypothesis testing in ANOVA, first is the formulating hypothesis. Define null and alternative hypothesis for comparing group means. Second, calculating F statistic. Compute the F statistic to determine if the group means are significantly different. So the last one, assessing significance. Conduct hypothesis testing to assess the significance of the F statistic results. ANOVA test statistic can be done in two ways, F statistic and p value. F statistics calculates the ratio of variation between group means and within groups, and p value determines the significance of the F statistic. Interpreting ANOVA results. In ANOVA, the F test is used to determine if there are significant differences between group means. A small p value indicates strong evidence against the null hypothesis. Post hoc tests can identify which group differ from each other. Visualization like box plots or interaction plots can aid interpretation. To the conclusion, after exploring the intricacies of ANOVA, it's evident that it's a powerful tool for comparing means. And understanding the purpose, types, assumptions, and test statistics of ANOVA is crucial for accurate interpretation of results. With its ability to handle complex analysis, ANOVA proves to be an invaluable statistical method. So, this was about the topic ANOVA. Thank you.